Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Froxlor on Debian 12. First of all, begin by updating your server. Next, set a hostname on your system. Add entry to the host file. Then, verify the changes. This is the recommended method for installing Froxlor server management software. First, you need to add the repository that provides the software package to do this. You can do this with the following commands. Update the apt package index. Once the repository has been added, install Froxlor with the following command. Configure postfix as follows. Next, set the system hostname. Once complete, you can proceed with the next step of creating a privileged database user. This can serve as an alternative method to install Froxlor server management software on Debian 12. For this method, you need LAMP or LEMP stack installed. Now, ensure all the PHP extensions have been installed. Next, download Froxlor in your web root directory. Then, you have the tarball downloaded and extracted in the web root directory. Set the required permissions. Once the installation has been done using any of the methods, you need to create a database and privileged database user for Froxlor. First, access the database shell. Now create a database and user. Now, you need to access the Froxlor web installer to complete the installation process. First, make sure that port 80 is allowed through your firewall. Next, access Froxlor using the following URL. Start the installation. If all is okay, you will see the following screen. Provide credentials for privileged users and databases. You also need to provide details for the unprivileged database users that will be created during this process. Create an admin user. Then, set up the system. Remember to check the following option to configure services manually. Once the installation is complete, you will be redirected to a login page. Next, log in using the created admin user. Then, you will gain access to the following dashboard. Now, we need to configure the services. Click on the notification on the top bar to perform service configs. You can also navigate to the system. Configuration. Select the services you want to configure. Once selected, a command will be generated to run on the command line. These commands need to be run as root. Once run, the notification will disappear when the page is refreshed. You can now use Froxlor to manage resources on your Debian 12 system as desired. Under the Resources tab, you can manage clients, admins, domains, SSL certificates, IP addresses, ports, MySQL servers, and more. To create your first customer, under the Resources tab, select Customers. Then, provide the necessary information. With a customer created, you can create a domain by navigating to the Resources tab, select Domains. Provide the necessary information. Once added, the domains will appear as shown. You can also configure PHP as desired in the PHP tab. Congratulations! Now you have successfully installed Froxlor on Debian 12. Using this management interface, you can easily manage and customize the resources on your server.